Hi, boys and girls. Well, I am really excited for today's activity. And in fact, the kids were so excited that we got started before we even filmed, because once we started brainstorming ideas, we knew that if we did all of them, it would be too long. Today, look around. Can you guess what we are going to make? Can you guess? All you need are some fun stuffed animals, some old boxes, some string, yarn, anything, tape. It can be anything like that, paper. And we are going to turn all of our stuffed animals into a zoo. And so the kids kind of looked around. We looked through all the boxes we had, and they've each picked one that they want to make. And I'm going to show you how to make little cages for your animals to make your own zoo at home. So let's start. Jackson picked what did you pick?
A strawberry basket.
He's using a strawberry basket because he really wants to make a little bird cage for his owl. Juliana just picked a little box, and to get ready for this, we cut the little flaps off so it wouldn't take so long on the video, so you can get that ready. And then we made them into strips in case anyone wanted to use those as bars for their cages. I don't know if they will or not. Then Bella, she really wanted to make a home for her fox, but her fox is kind of long, so we had to use a big box. So we decided he's going to have a pretty big enclosure, and we just taped the flaps off and cut the one flap off, and she is going to use some string, she said, to string across. So I'm going to let them get started, and we're going to, before I do that, I'm going to show you the cages we made already. So you can see the teddy bear got his very own cage out of a box, where this one we just, we tucked some of the flaps down, used duct tape, and the kids just put duct tape across, and then Jax wrote the word bear. And then this, we just had an empty goldfish box. So our little hippo got into his enclosure, and his bars go that way so he can look over the top. And the giraffe the same. We just used some curling ribbon, and he's sitting in his box. Of course, their enclosures are pretty tiny. In a real zoo, they would not be that tiny, but for our pretend play, this will be perfect. So I'm going to let the kids get started, and you can watch us, and I'll narrate as we go. All right, so Bella, you wanted to string yours, so I'm going to make little holes. I'm going to use some scissors and just make some little holes up and down the sides of Bella's, and then she can kind of lace her bars across. So you can just see, I just poked a little holes with 3 little holes with scissors.
Where's my string?
And because I don't want her to cut herself, because she's still young, I did the cutting on that one. But now I'm going to give her the string and let her get started. So she chose nice bright pink string that she thought would be fun. Okay, and then you just let me know if you need help. You can just string your cage however you want. And Jax, go ahead. I know you already had plenty of ideas. You didn't need my help at all because Jackson was so excited he was getting started way before me. And Jules, what do you want to use for your bars? Do you want to use cardboard, yarn, beautiful green ribbon, string? You want the green ribbon?
Yeah.
Okay. So with Jules, we're just going to use, I have different kinds of tape here also because really it doesn't matter what kind of tape you use. I'm going to have Jules use the painter's tape. So first, Julie, can you unwrap that ribbon? Can you straighten it out? And of course, each child, depending on where they're at developmentally, they might need more or less help. But since this is their project, I want to let them do it as much as possible. It's hard to put it in. So you know what, Bella? We're gonna modify your string. I'm gonna take some tape, and we're gonna make it stiffer. So what she's having happen is where the little string frays. So we're going to see if we just make it a little bit thicker with some duct tape, if that helps. And then once you get it through, Bella, you're going to tape the edge on. So I'm going to leave that piece of tape right there. Okay, so now try. See if you can do it. Okay, oh, I see you've got a great idea. How about if do you want your bars to go that way or that way?
That way.
Wait, show me. That way, okay. So let's get the scissors. And this ribbon is kind of hard to cut, so this one is, I already know developmentally she can't cut with this wired ribbon. However you want, yeah. So now, wait, no, that piece you're going to tape on. Oh, actually, no, keep going. Yeah, you're right. That's perfect. Keep stringing that one through. Okay, so Jules, you ready for some tape?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Take the other side, though. Take it across.
Yeah, take it. This time you want it to be, because you want it to be like bars, right? So that your animal can't get out, so you're going to string it that way. Okay. Keep trying. Okay, now Julie, let's see if you can tear the tape. I'm going to hold it. Use your 2 fingers and just see if you can tear it. If I get it started, I'll get it started. This is a good bilateral hand use skill. Oh, and she got it. Great. Okay, and now let's put your tape right there. we're going to tape down the ribbon. Can you push it on? Awesome. You can see she's doing a great job. We'll have it come right across. Okay, let's try tearing again. So Jules, look, instead of just pulling, right now you're pulling. We're going to get rid of that piece. What we want to do, watch how Mommy does it. We're going to start, and I'm going to hold one still and pull the other one forward. Now you try. 2 hands, 2 hands. Awesome. All right, let's see if we can salvage. Oh, we can salvage that piece. She kind of crinkled it, and Jax, how's yours coming along?
Good.
Okay, can you use that tape and just tape this down? Perfect, okay. Hold on, next we need to cut the next bar. Do you want another one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut that one. Let's see.
So I made two like
Turn it around. Do you want to show them?
this is what I did to mine.
Ooh, we're almost giving Juliana a haircut. Sorry there, lady. You can say, Mom, you got my hair.
You got my hair.
Silly, Mom. Okay, 2 hands. And remember, this time, hold on. Grab it with just your pincher fingers. Don't grab your whole fist. Pinch your finger, and then you got it.
I need help.
So again, you can kind of watch their grasp and kind of modify it as needed.
And tape that.
Yeah, here's the tape.
little string right on.
Okay, right here, did you have a piece of tape?
Here.
Here, can you put that one on again? Sorry, it came off. Right here, Belle. Here's a piece of tape if you can't tear it yourself, or you can try just tearing it. Okay, I started the tape again for Jules.
Tape it right there on the side of that box. Right where it is, where it hangs down.
There we go.
Right there. Now pull the other side
Okay.
tight.
Here, oh, we have to, wait, hold on. I'll get the tape. You pat that tape down. Can you push it down on the box? There you go. All right, Belle, are you needing some help here?
Yes, I can.
Okay, let's see what's going on. I think we just need to give it a little more, relax it a little bit more. Okay, and are you all done lacing? I thought you wanted to lace one more.
Yes, well, I want to lace one more, but
Then let's not tape it quite yet.
we have to lace it right there.
Okay, so watch. See how you just needed to pull that through? Okay, now pull this one and it should all come through. No, don't pull. Oh, I see. Did I pull it through? What happened here?
So I got 2 strings and one, but
Here, what we'll do, look, we're going to take this tape, Belle, and just tape this end right here. There we go. Now you're good to go. Okay, and now pull this end. Pull that end to make it tight. Here, you do it. Okay, and now you can lace your oh, Julie is helping you. Okay, now lace your last one through and then you'll tape it on. Okay, all right, Jules, how are you coming?
okay.
You're ready to tear. And Jackson, why don't you tell us what are you doing over here?
I'm building like kind of like a fort like here.
Wow, that's very clever. Okay, so now, oh, before we do it, wait, we better put, since this is our last bar, we better choose. Which animal are you going to put in your box? Do you want the skunk or the lion or the moose or
the lion?
the lion? Let's get the lion for you. Okay, here's our lion. And we're just going to tuck our little lion. Can you put him in the box? Here, you put him in.
I made it.
Be it gentle. We don't want to scare the lion. There we go. Okay, now we put the last bar on. Okay, can you tape it down?
So now I'm gonna have to like kind of tape it.
Yeah, so now, here, let's see if you can tear the tape. I bet you can do it yourself. Since you like playing with this tape, remember to do, yeah, that's the way. And now, no, remember, we're not twisting. You tear. That means you stabilize it with your pinching fingers, and one side pulls forward and one side pulls back. There you go. You did it. Okay? And you, my dear, need one more piece. Okay. Can you get it? Awesome.
Now, can we cut this part off?
Sure. Here are the scissors. Okay.
If your kids know how to cut, just let them cut, but if your kids don't, then cut for them.
I think Bella is going to be a teacher in training. She's got plenty of tips. Okay, so now our little lion is in his cage, and we need to write what kind of animal this is. So obviously Julie's only 2. She doesn't know how to write words, but I'm going to write the word and she can color on the card. So Julie, it looks like we have pink or purple.
Purple.
Purple, okay. Yes. So here, you look through. Mommy's going to write the word, and then you're going to write on top of it. careful. You look through this art box and you choose what kind of,
Mom, can you help me?
yes. Do you need smaller scissors maybe?
Yes, I know what you're doing.
Mom hasn't learned how to open this case apparently.
I know how to.
Okay, Jax, you open that. This is your case. Okay, watch, Julie. I'm going to write L, I, O,
Can somebody give me
N.
smaller scissors?
Is it opening? Yeah, I'll get you smaller scissors.
Oh,
Maybe it's stuck.
yeah. It's stuck a lot.
Yeah, it looks like we might need a new art case. And here are the smaller kid-size scissors. There you go, Belle. And this time, I'm going to hold it tight because sometimes string is hard to cut. So I'll hold it. So you want to cut it right up there, right? And I'm going to pull the two sides together. Go ahead and snip. You got it. Okay, now carefully, I'm going to hand, no, you don't need to cut anything else. Now I'm going to get you your fox, and you can carefully put your fox in, and then you can write the word fox.
I don't know how to write the word fox though.
So what could we do about that?
You can write it on a card, then I can write it.
We could, or what could I tell you the letters and see if you could write them?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay, put your fox in.
My little bunny fox.
Okay, so there's Bella's fox.
I want pink of the little paper ball.
And hopefully you're not getting the messy part of the house. Belle, do you want pink or purple for your tag? Pink, all right. And I'm going to give you, you're big enough, you can try the Sharpie. Okay. Do you know?
I wrote with a Sharpie before.
Yep, okay. So the first letter in fox, it says f, f. What letter says f?
Feet.
Fee is another word with that.
Feet.
Oh, feet. Yes, that's another word that starts with the same sound. Do you know what f says? What letter? It's F. Can you draw an F? An F, and I'm going to show her do you know what an F looks like, or do you need help? Okay, so an F is going to go straight across, then down, then a line in the middle.
Oh.
So I just use my finger to outline what the letter looks like, so she can copy. There you go, line at the top, line in the middle. Okay, next, the next sound is off, ah. Ah, what says ah?
Oh.
Ah, like octopus. What letter makes that sound? Ah, do you know?
Oh?
Kiss your brain, you got it.
Just goes a circle.
Okay, oh, but how do you see the animals?
Oh, you open it.
Oh, so maybe you can leave it open so you can tuck your little owl in there, right?
Yep.
Okay, the last sound is x. This is a tricky one. It's a letter that looks like this, do you know?
X.
X, can you draw that letter? Awesome. Okay, now let's tape that on.
Fox.
Fox. Fox. You did it. 3 letters. Fox. Okay. And now,
Now what? How?
sure, it's your tag. It's your zoo.
Yeah.
And this is the part where you can let the kids be creative. Since it's their project, once again, I'm just here to facilitate. Oh, you ready for tape for your cage? Okay, here's some tape. Where do you want to put it? Do you want to put it on the side?
On the side.
On the side. Awesome. Okay, Jax. And I think you're ready. Maybe you can put yours right there.
Yeah.
Okay, and do you know how to spell the word owl?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead and write it. Okay,
Oh.
and Belle, here's yours. Go ahead, and I'm going to turn it back around so you can tape yours on. Okay, go ahead and put it on.
I'm going to put on right here because that is green. Oh, she.
Okay. Oh, that's a good part. Okay, and Jax, finish it up. Good. I see that you know how to spell owl. Let's give you a piece of tape, and okay, turn it around so we can show everyone how our, no, that's an L, not an I, sweetie. Good. Okay, do you want to put it right there on the front?
Yeah, like here.
Okay, can you put that on?
And actually looks cool because then the box can just bear it. And then take the box.
Okay, and now we'll add
Boom.
Jackson's owl to our, we're going to let him peek through so people can see there really is an animal in there. Okay, and now you've seen how we can make a zoo using our stuffed animals and some creativity. I hope you have fun making a zoo at your house too, boys and girls. Thanks for watching.